Here's my audience. Have you ever wanted to predict the future? Well, here are some fun and easy ways to entertain you and your friends. Today I'm going to be talking you through how to fold, decorate, and use fortune tellers. Fortune tellers have many different names, such as in Europe they were called salt holders because they hold the salt with their shape. In America we also call them cootie catchers. For this, you're going to need a square paper, markers, and pens. So first you want to start off with your square paper. So first you're going to fold each corner to itself and make a crease in the middle. Like this. And then again, like this. Then you're going to unfold it just so you have the crease down the middle. Then you want to fold each of the corners into the inside, like this. You want to make sure that these corners are as even as possible because it's a very big part of the origami. Then you're going to have a smaller square. You're going to fold each of these corners right back into the middle like you did previously. So then it should look like this, an even smaller square. And then you're going to flip it and repeat that step and fold it in one more time. So it should be about half the size of the original square. Then you're going to fold it in half, like this, and then fold it in half again on the other side to create the creases that you need. So it should look something like this. On this side, you're going to do 4 different colors on each of these. Make sure you know how to spell out those colors because that's a crucial part of using the fortune teller. And then do the numbers. So you should have 1 through 8 on each of these little triangles. Then you're going to flip open the triangles with the numbers on them on each of the 4 sides. And on all 8 of these, you're going to write a different fortune for these people to get. So some examples will be LeBron dies, LeBron is pregnant, LeBron wins finals, or LeBron falls. Then you're going to fold it back up and then push these 2 corners into each other and it should pop open like this. Then you're going to use 4 fingers, so you should be using your thumb, your pointer, your middle, and your ring finger to hold it open. And then you're going to choose a color. So for example, say my audience chose purple. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to usually spell out the color. So then you should have 4 different numbers on the inside. My numbers, for example, are 1, 2, 5, and 6. Then you're going to have whoever you're trying to tell their fortune choose a number. So say they chose 6. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for mine, I have 4 different numbers on the inside. You should too. Then your person's going to choose one final number, and then they're going to open it up, find the number, and then that one will be what your fortune is. So say they chose number 5. Your fortune is you will find $100 from LeBron. So that's their fortune. And many people don't believe in their fortunes with reasonable suspicion because it's kind of funny. And some fortunes can be unreasonable. But other fortunes can be really real, and they could actually happen. I learned first how to use a fortune teller, or I called it a cootie catcher, in 2nd grade when we were playing it on the playground. I learned how to make one earlier that day, and many people use these for real and just for fun. So my fortune that day was I will find money. And I wouldn't usually believe that. But later that day, I did find money when I was walking down the sidewalk. That's what makes me believe that fortune tellers are real. And as long as they're reasonable, they can show what your fortune will be. Now your fortunes can be in a few months, a few days, a few hours, or maybe in a few years. But either way, I do believe that your future will come true if it is within a reasonable one. So some more fortunes are also made, and then you're going to pick a color, spell it out, pick a number, count it, and pick another number. And then that number that you finally choose will be your fortune. So today I have talked to you how to fold, decorate, and how to use a fortune teller. Maybe try making one for yourself. Your fortune could come true, and I do believe that they will come true as long as they're reasonable.